Number 1. 1977 Ford F350, price $5,200, powered by a 400 CI big block V8 running on gasoline. It shows 81,000 original miles, features an automatic transmission, and comes with a white exterior paired with a black interior. The truck is largely all original, with only surface rust present, and it runs and drives well. It has a clean title and has recently received several updates, including new tires and wheels, a new Edelbrock carburetor, high-rise intake, new battery with terminals, and a new fan belt, making it mechanically solid and ready to drive. The truck does need a driver's side floor pan welded in, however, new floor pans are included, along with a brand new carpet kit, which will help finish the interior properly. Overall, this is a solid, original F350 with low miles, strong big block power, and recent maintenance. Number 2. 1994 Ford F250, price $4,500. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it easy and comfortable to drive both on the job and on the road. The truck wears a black exterior that pairs well with its gray interior. Under the hood, it is powered by the legendary 351 engine, one of Ford's most respected engines produced between 1968 and 1998. The truck shows 351,000 miles on the original odometer, and the engine has never been rebuilt. For a vehicle that has been used as a work truck, its overall condition is impressively clean and well maintained. This F250 has clearly been cared for over the years and remains a dependable truck with plenty of life left. It is being sold with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1982 Ford F150, price $4,995, well-kept and reliable truck that runs and drives great. It has approximately 161,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and confident performance. The truck features a classic red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, maintaining a clean and timeless appearance. Overall, this F150 is in good condition for its age and would make a solid work truck, weekend hauler, or classic pickup for everyday use. It has been well maintained and is ready to be driven. The vehicle comes with a clean title, providing added assurance for the next owner. Number 4. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,800, with only 97,000 original miles, which is considered very low for a vehicle of its age. It is powered by a reliable engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The truck runs and drives great, starts immediately without hesitation, and shows no mechanical problems. The engine and transmission are in solid condition and perform exactly as they should, with no leaks present. Finished in a brown exterior, this Sierra 1500 has been very well taken care of and remains clean overall. It is rust-free, reflecting careful ownership and proper maintenance throughout its life. The truck has clearly been maintained with attention to detail, resulting in a smooth and dependable driving experience. It also comes with a clean Colorado title, making it a great option for anyone looking for a classic GMC truck that is reliable, clean, and ready to drive. Number 5. 1991 Toyota pickup, price $4,999, showing 283,000 miles and equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a gasoline engine. The engine has strong and consistent compression across all cylinders, indicating a solid mechanical condition, and the truck runs and drives well without issues. It features a gray exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a classic and clean look. All glass is in good condition with no rock chips or cracks. The body is in great shape for its age, with only minor scratches that are to be expected on a vehicle of this year. A bed liner is installed to protect the truck bed, while the rack shown is not included in the sale. The vehicle comes with a clean title and includes Washington State permanent registration and plates. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. This truck has 79,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It features a black exterior paired with a black interior. The truck is set up with a 305/350 configuration and sits lowered on 15x10 rear and 15x8 front American Racing Outlaw wheels. Inside, it has a distinctive Austin Powers style interior complemented by an old-school sound system. The braking system has been updated with newer brakes all around, though it will require a heater core for winter use. An extra set of stock wheels is included, along with a 454 big block intended for this truck. The body is solid with minimal surface rust, but the primer paint is peeling in some areas. It is also equipped with dual fuel tanks.
Number 7.
1989 GMC Sierra 2500, price $6,500, powered by a fuel-injected 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and operates on gasoline. The truck features a red exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean look. The vehicle is registered with a collector plate, so no further registration renewal is required. It comes equipped with practical and desirable upgrades, including a roof rack with locking keys, weld racing wheels, and Rancho shocks, which enhance both appearance and ride quality. Overall, this Sierra is a solid and dependable truck that is ready to be driven and enjoyed. The only noted issue is the headliner, which needs to be redone, but all the original pieces are still there, making it a straightforward fix.
Number 8.
1984 Ford F250, price $6,599. It is powered by the reliable 6.9 LIDI diesel engine paired with a manual transmission, runs on diesel fuel, and features a white exterior with a blue interior. The truck is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and a gear vendor's overdrive, enhanced by a Banks Power Pack performance kit for improved performance. Additional features include cruise control, a CB radio, RPM and exhaust temperature gauges, and a trailer brake controller, making it well suited for towing and long drives. The truck has brand new tires, a new water pump, and new belts, along with fresh fluids and filters throughout the rear end, overdrive unit, transmission, engine, and fuel water separator.
It also has an upgraded block heater, starts easily even without being plugged in, and shows no blow-by. Number 9.
1969 Ford F250, price $2,950, with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered 390th engine featuring an Edelbrock Street Master intake and Holley 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck wears a very rare Calypso coral orange exterior with a matching orange interior. It runs and drives and has been updated with a new power brake booster and master cylinder, new rubber brake lines, front disc brakes, a new gas tank and sending unit, and a new rubber floor mat. The heater works with a new control valve, all lights are functional, and the interior has been refreshed with a new headliner and sun visors. On the downside, the engine is currently running on 7 cylinders, as the number 1 cylinder is missing its pushrods for unknown reasons. There is rust at the front of the bed, the air conditioning is not working, and the truck has dents, dings, and some missing trim.
Number 10.
1987 Ford F150, price $2,250. It is powered by a carbureted 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a manual transfer case, providing dependable performance both on and off the road. The exterior is finished in blue and is complemented by a matching blue interior, giving the truck a classic and cohesive look. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with manual locking hubs, adding to its capable 4-wheel drive setup. Additional features include an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, a toolbox, bedliner, and a Bluetooth radio for added convenience. The heater functions properly and blows hot, as expected for its age. The truck has a few quirks, but it has strong fundamentals and good bones overall.